What's up, everybody? This is Jeff Renard with Solve Systems, and today we're going to go over Microsoft Azure's OpenAI Logic Apps action for multiple embeddings. So this will allow you to create an array of embeddings via Microsoft's new actions within Logic Apps. So we're going to go over it. We'll go over some scenarios of how we can implement it and then some ideas around it. And if you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe for notifications of all the cool stuff we'll be releasing in 2025. And also reach out if you need some dev help. Let's go. Here we are in our handy dandy test RG group, and now we're going to go and create some resources like we've done in previous videos. So let's go get our Azure OpenAI Service. We have it there, but we'll show you how to find it. And then you'll see this logo. This is the logo that all the services will kind of be under that we're going to be working with. And then we'll create a service. So we'll add it to our test RG. We'll leave it in the east zone, test OAI, and we'll give it 1, 2, 3 as a number, standard pricing tier, and then we'll click next. Next. It's going to approve all of those resource deployments. Then we're going to create it, and then it's going to initialize the deployment. In the meantime, we're going to go back to Logic Apps and get a Logic app. So we're here, and then we add a Logic app. Go to our workflow standard plan. Make sure you're in the standard plan, otherwise it's not going to work well. Then we select. Give it a name, approve it, put it in the same zone as your test RG group. Also, make sure that you put it in the test RG group, otherwise it will make its own. Review, create. While that's being created, and we have a problem. Let's see what the problem is. Validation, inner details, pre-flight. Okay, so it's already taken, but it didn't notify us, so we have to rename it. Windows East. And then let's see if we can send it out again for creation.